So which one are we taking today? The car or the bike? It's a tough choice. I think I'm going to take the bike today. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So yeah, we are out and about on a short spin today on our motorcycle, the mighty Multistrada. So the destination for today is Matheran, near Mumbai. I hope it doesn't rain. We have to pack up the GoPro in case it does start raining. So I'm just hoping it doesn't rain right away. Here we go. So it's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. I know it's an odd time to venture out on a motorcycle in Mumbai, but still, what the heck. I just felt like going out, so I just took the bike out, and it's a short spin anyway. It's like 90 kilometers from where I live. So I guess it's going to be fine, and I hope the GoPro is going to record the stuff properly, unlike the previous times when it failed on me quite miserably. Let's see. Okay, so we've just crossed this toll. I think this is the Vashi toll. We are just entering Navi Mumbai now, crossing the bridge. Multistrada, to be honest with you guys, it doesn't care about anything. Like, you can ride it like a hooligan, tour on it, do stuff, like whatever you want you can do with it. And it's such a versatile machine, right? I used to own that Street Triple before this, right? So it's quite good a machine, but owning a tourer bike, an ADV bike, it's always something else. Now look at that. Shit, I think my rear tire is gone. I have to pull over and check. Okay, so seems that it was not a puncture. Some stone or something made a really bad noise in the rear tire. And I have had quite a few bad experiences under similar circumstances. Yeah, I just didn't want to push the bike around with a flat tire in this heat, right? So that's why I got scared. I was thinking about turning around and going back home, but come on, you're already out on the road, and if it doesn't look that bad, it should ideally continue. Of course, there are occasions when you will have to turn around on certain trips, but today was not one of those days, I guess. Okay guys, so the name of this particular road that you see is called Palm Beach Road, and this is sort of the only good quality road that we have in and around Bombay, as far as I have seen, of course. As you can see, you can keep a little bit of speed while traveling on this road, and yeah, the quality of road is also quite good, so you can enjoy a little bit, even though you're within the city. And seriously, like, the conditions of roads in Mumbai, especially the highways, the exits from the city, it's all so bad. Like, you won't believe it, like especially during the monsoons, all the tarmac is completely gone, and the trucks, the truck traffic is properly brutal. on the other highways as well. So this route you have to take in order to go to Pune and Goa and Bangalore, places like that. Towards the south of Bombay. So the traffic in the city was really bad. It's good to be out on the highway, you know. This bike is not meant for city trips, riding around in the city. The temperature gauge, if you see over here, it keeps on climbing. If you're stuck in traffic somewhere, it goes to 106, 107, 108. Then it starts cooling down again. But still, it's quite, you know, painful to watch that meter go up every time you stop at a traffic light. So I'm not very sure, but that definitely looks like some rain clouds over there. So maybe we have to pack up the GoPro in some time if it starts raining, because I've got the, you know, the mic adapter and everything attached to the GoPro right now, and if it's gonna rain, bye bye GoPro. Look at those mountains. Maharashtra, no doubt, is very beautiful. It's a beautiful place. Landscape is hills and, you know, mountains everywhere. Especially during the monsoons, the greens are a bit different from everywhere else. It's kind of a fluorescent kind of a green that you see on the grass and trees around Bombay during the monsoons. See such lush green, you know, landscapes. Gorgeous. So here we are at the toll, Pathkar Naka. Pathkar, right? Pathkar, if I'm reading it properly. Yeah. So I'm planning to take a break over here. Quick water and smoke break. Yeah. Let me see if there's not too much crowd. I'll try to take the camera out as well, but I'm not sure. Let's see.
Okay, so the reason we are cutting to the scene right away, because something really unfortunate happened. Unfortunately, the memory card got corrupted on this camera, and I couldn't use the footages I had taken with this camera on this trip. And all the cinematics and stuff, all of them are gone. So that's why we're cutting to the scene. Just to give you a little bit of background, the GoPro footage is all I have from the trip. So I hope you enjoy the GoPro footages. And again, sorry about that.
The landscape is again gorgeous. It's blissful. Look at the greenery, man. Love it. There's no point in rushing and, you know, driving fast on roads like these. Anyway, you can't go too fast because of the traffic here, and it's better to take your time and enjoy the surroundings rather than just gunning it. So it has rained over here, quite evident from the water on the road. So looks like it's starting to rain now. I may have to put the GoPro down. I'm not sure how bad it's gonna be because there's not too much cloud cover. But yeah, it's gaining speed now. Rain is getting more aggressive. raining heavily now, I'll just put the GoPro in the bag. There's no point in getting wet like this. Okay guys, so looks like the rain stopped for now. And look at this lush greenery. So we've started the hill climb on road to Matheran, and just got to see this beautiful, beautiful little siding by the road. There are not too many people around right now, but we are just hitting 9998 kilometers, so it should be 10,000 kilometers in a few minutes. Let's go. It looks like it's covered in cloud up above. So the road is not that great for corners and all, with a bit of traffic, so you need to be careful while riding these roads. Now that's a view. Wow, just look at this. Splendid. This is a specialty of traveling around in Maharashtra during the monsoons. You have to put up with the rains and stuff, but the way you get rewarded with the sceneries and stuff is quite exhilarating. Seems to be a forested area here. Okay, so I spotted a quaint little shack over there. Maybe we can grab something to eat while on our way down the hill. Wow, sketchy stuff. Ooh. So it looks like a narrow gauge railway down there, rail tracks. Not bad at all. There we go, 10,000 kilometers on the odometer. Tourist spot of sorts. Okay, waterfall. People having a good time over there, climbing up the hills. I'm not sure if that's recommended with the water and all. It must be quite slippery. The surfaces must be slippery, and if you fall from there, surely you're going to break a few bones in your body. We're entering the clouds now. Brilliant. And my ears are popping, so for sure we have gained some altitude. I just hope it doesn't rain. It doesn't look like it's going to rain because the roads are relatively dry. Let's turn on the indicators, the hazards. Splendid. Okay, that's quite a bit of a U-turn. with some gain in altitude again. Some people are shooting me from the front with their phones. Okay. Let's go, my friends. People waving and stuff. Oh my god, this is getting serious right now. Oh. Not sure if we should be going further ahead, if it makes sense or not, because you can barely see anything up ahead. Maybe it's a better idea to turn around and, you know, get down this hill. Let me find a decent spot where I can turn around. It's better to just stop over here and have a, you know, coffee or something and then head on our way back. But yeah, quite a bit of a dreamy kind of a place, right? That's good. Okay guys, so we are done with the quick break. The place is super cool, by the way. It's not a you know, not too many people, not too crowded. I'm pretty sure that on weekends it's going to be quite different. So it's better to come on a weekday if you can. Also, the roads are not very good. Of course, no big deal for the Multistrada, by the way. It manages the roads quite well. So let me do this. I'll just get down and, you know, stop at the cafe or the Shack B. So while coming up, and I'll, you know, try to log in again and speak to you guys for a little bit before moving on towards home.
Okay guys, so that was it for this week's vlog. I hope you liked the video. In case you did like, please feel free to drop a like down below. And in case you're interested in vlogs like these with road trips and stuff, please do consider subscribing to this channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.